Tips and tricks. So Unity 19.3 is in beta now, it's available for download, and most of the people that I know are using it already. There are a bunch of new features, new improvements, and a lot of things that are either major or minor changing around the core of the engine. So in this video, I'm going to share some of the most valuable tips and tricks in order to make using Unity easier for you. And also, this video is brought to you by Jason Weinman. Jason is an instructor and a developer who's made the incredible Unity Masterclass. The Mastery course will teach you everything from the fundamentals and basics of game development all the way to using Unity for your professional projects. You'll start off by building a full 2D game using Unity and focus heavily on C# to get a good grasp on coding. The course will then take you to 3D and even multiplayer. While working on these projects, Jason is going to be showing how to create the fundamentals for each project, and one thing I love about Jason's course is that he enables you the option to work along other students, and not only that, but he involves one-on-one interaction between you and himself. You can check out more about Jason's Unity Mastery course through the link in the description. Our link is also set up with a special discount code special to our community, so you will get 60% off the initial price. Alright, so get your pen and paper ready. Pen and paper. Who uses paper and pen nowadays? So get your laptop and let's get into it. If you're making level design in Unity, make sure to use Unity 2019.3 for the latest features. One feature that's been anticipated for a long time is terrain holes, which is now available in the latest version of Unity. By using the terrain system, you will find a new tool for creating holes. This is going to help you make things like caves and sewers very easily and very quickly. On top of that, Polybrush is another tool for Unity which allows you to not only sculpt and paint color or textures on meshes, but actually scatter prefabs. By scattering prefabs, you can basically paint prefabs such as vegetation on other game objects like terrains. Also, Polybrush is now a package available through the package manager in Unity. In order to install Polybrush, we can go into Window and enter the package manager, and in the list, find Polybrush and hit install. Then we simply have to enter the prefab scatter mode and start painting our prefabs. Speaking of packages, there's also another package that I love using called ProGrids. ProGrids has a feature which is the snapping method, and by using snapping you can basically pick a custom grid size to snap objects into, which allows you to build levels more easily. In Unity 2019.3, they introduced a new Unity UI, which also introduces a new font. Now, if you dislike the new font, you can switch back to the old one or another one through the project settings. Let me actually know in the comments what you think of the new what you think of the new UI. Why is it so difficult to say that? But let me know in the comments because I'm really interested and I actually like using it. I also like the new font, but obviously I want to hear your guys' opinions as well. Also, have you seen some people orbiting their camera around an object in the scene view before and wondered how the heck they do it? Well, wonder no more, because Papa Sykes got you covered. Papa Sykes, really? So the way you do this is by highlighting a game object you want to orbit around and then press F once. This will focus on the object, which brings you closer to it, and now you can hold down the alternative key and basically just look around it and orbit the camera view. As we're closing up on 2020, which is still crazy to me, to be honest, we're almost finished with 2019, and I feel like there's literally no reason as to why you shouldn't be using the Unity Hub. Unity Hub is like a game launcher, but for Unity. It contains all of your projects, all Unity installs both on your computer and is available for download, and it also has tutorials, but, you know, like Sykoo tutorials. Add them, Unity! Where are my tutorials? You can download the Hub through the link in the description. Speaking of the Hub, the latest version of the Unity Hub also has the new microgame templates. These templates are designed for absolute beginners to get an actual in-editor walkthrough of Unity. I even did a live stream for Unity on their YouTube channel to teach people how to use the karting template, and if you guys want to watch that live stream, I'm gonna link it in the description box of this video. I am also thinking of making a tutorial series for it actually, so let me know what you think of that in the comments. The package manager now not only shows packages available for Unity, but you can also use it to see your asset store collection, download and import them into your project. Quick Search is another Unity package available through the package manager. Quick Search is basically like the Spotlight search on Mac and the search field in Blender, if you guys used either of those. By using a shortcut, you can get Quick Search to pop up in Unity, and then you can simply search anything ranging from assets to game objects, components, and more. It's basically what it says in the title. It's a quick search, but for literally everything related to Unity. Oh, and speaking of shortcuts, there's the shortcut manager in Unity, which you can use to assign and change current shortcuts for various features. You can go into Edit and enter the shortcut manager, then simply pick a field and start assigning shortcuts. If you're making a 2D game with pixel art, don't forget that there's a pixel perfect package in Unity. Same as before, this one is available through the package manager as well, and it ensures your pixel art remains crisp and clear at different resolutions. I actually have a full-on guide and a tutorial video for this pixel perfect feature on Unity's channel that I did for Unity, so if you guys are interested, there's going to be a link in the description. Now, I actually got reminded of this feature's existence while doing the live stream for Unity, so I thought it might be worth sharing with you as well. So you can basically mute your game window by toggling the little audio button in game view. So if you're having some music on and if you have some music in the background of your game as well, you can just mute it like that. When you have a camera in your scene and you have just found the perfect perspective by basically flying around in your scene, instead of moving the camera to try and match the rotation for tens of minutes, you can simply align with view, and there you go. Finally, the lightweight render pipeline is now called the Universal Render Pipeline within Unity 19.3 and above, so don't get confused when you read that, and it also has the post-processing from HDRP or the High Definition Render Pipeline revamped to work for Universal, so it's more lightweight now. Alright, so those are some of my favorite tips and tricks for using Unity 2019, and can I just say I really like this natural lighting that we have going on right now because it's a beautiful day in Copenhagen or in Denmark or in Scandinavia, I guess, and I'm really happy with this lighting that we're getting right now. Let me know in the comment section which one of these tips that I shared you find the most useful, and if you actually have your own ones as well, let us know in the comments because some of the best suggestions come from you, the community, so I really look forward to seeing your comments on this video. If you have any questions, let us know in the comment section as well, and join us on Discord where we talk more about game development, and you can join us by going to the link in the description or by simply going to discord.gg/polyrealm. I almost forgot the link as I was saying. I was like, which link should I give them? So smash like for more, smash subscribe for more, and on that, thank you for watching. I will see you in the comments.